Hello, honorable members. I welcome you back to our PowerPoint class. In the last lesson, we opened PowerPoint. We added our first slide and typed a title. Today, we are going to learn how to add more slides, change slides layout, and make our presentation look more fun. If you are ready, then let's go. Now look at the top of your screen. Do you see Home tab? Yes. So this is the Home tab. So just click on the Home tab. And then under Home tab, you're going to see a new slide text with the icon at the top. So after clicking on the Home tab, search through and find New Slides. So it has a small picture of a slide with a star. Click on it once. So just click on the picture, not the text. Just click on the picture once. So you can see that the moment you click on the picture, a new slide appears on the left side and in the middle. This is slide number 2. So anytime you want to add a new slide, you can just go to Home tab and then click on the icon. It will add a new slide for you. But wait, each slide doesn't have to look the same. You can see from here that the slides are still the same. The slide 2 and slide 3 are all the same, but it shouldn't be so. So we can choose different layouts for different styles. So this is what we are going to do. Now if you want to add a new slide with a different layout, at this stage we will not click on the icon here, but we will rather click on the text below it. You see that there's a small arrow beside it. Just click on it and it will display different layout for you to select from. So you select the layout that suits the kind of content or the kind of presentation that you are doing or the kind of work that you're doing. Just select it and you are good to go. So for this, let's select title and content. So you see that title and content is already there. That is the default one. So you can go there again and then we can change, let's say, session header. You can say title slide, or any of these layouts will be good for you. So let's select this one. That is the title with 2 columns. So let's select that one. Yeah, you can see that it is having a different layout as compared to the previous one, so that you're having a different layout. So that is how to change your layout. So it depends on the kind of work that you are doing, the design that you want. You just change the layout and then you are good to go. So the same way you can add your text, you can add your images, you can add your videos, you can even add your charts to your layouts or your slides. So for now we are just adding text, so you can just click here and then add any text that you want. You come to this section here to add your text and then come here and add it. I just want you to practice how to add the text to your slides. Now there may be a case that you already have your slides, so let me select this one. You see that the first slides, the layout is a title and then a subtitle, but it may be a case that you want the content, you will just want to change the layout of this particular slide. So you make sure the slide is selected on the left side, then you go to the slide group here. You're going to see layout here. Just click on the layout or just click on the small arrow there, and it will give you options of different layout that you can select from. So the one that we have already opened is the title slide, so we don't need that. So you just want to change to this one, so you just click on this and you see that it will change. But one thing you must note here, that the content will not change, but only the layout that changes. So previously we were having the PowerPoint as the title and then the name here as the subtitle. So you can see that it is the content are still there, but there are additional features that were added because we have changed the layout. So if you want to change the layout, you just go to layout, make sure you're still under home, and under slides groups, you just go to layout and then you change your layout. So that will be for today. Today you have learned how to add new slides. You have also learned how to choose different layouts and how to add text to our presentation, and also how to change slides layouts. Okay, so next time we'll learn how to add pictures and make our slides colorful with themes. So don't miss it, and see you in lesson 3. But don't forget, this lesson is a beginner friendly. So I'm taking it slow. I want the beginners to pick from here, so that when they get to the advanced level, they not find themselves wanting. Okay, so let's meet in lesson 3.